Hi, my name is Alanah Baldwin. I go to Bridgeport High School and I'm studying animal and agriculture science at Saginaw Career Complex. I chose this program because I have a thing for animals and I really love animals and I would like to help them be healthy as much as I can, just like humans. And I really have a thing for keeping everybody safe and healthy. Growing up, I didn't have any animals at home, but seeing animals here and being hands-on with animals, learning that they have emotions just like us and they need to be treated just like us makes me look at animals in a different way than I normally did. SEC is like one of the best schools I ever went to, and it makes you look forward to your day. Every time I come to school, I look forward to just coming here and being hands-on with everything. I've learned animal handling, helping animals with splints, making sure they're fed and brushing them, grooming them, cutting their nails. My jacket is from a organization called FFA. Stands for Future Farmers of America, but it's not really for farmers. It's for anyone that would like to go in the animal field or the agriculture field that likes to do farming or that likes to do anything with food or with animals. My plans after high school is to go to MSU, Michigan State University. I want to be a veterinarian. First go into a field where I'm a veterinary assistant and then go into being a veterinarian and have my own business and clinic.